Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am showing you exactly how to use 20 CRM and whether it is worth it in 2025. If you are looking for a modern open source CRM that's super flexible, this one might surprise you. So without any further ado, let's dive in. So what actually is 20 CRM? So it's an open source self-hosted customer relationship management tool, kind of like a mix between Notions and Pipedrive. It lets you manage contacts, pipelines, texts, tasks, and you can customize it completely to fit your sales or support workflow. It is a great for teams that want full control over their data and don't want to pay for expensive CRM subscriptions. So how to set it up? So getting started is simple. If you are a bit tech savvy, you can self-host 20 CRM using Docker, Compose, or install it on a cloud server. Once it is live, long like you just need to log in through your browser, create your workspace, and set up your data mode. Like the data model, this means you can add custom objects, fields, and pipelines. The interface is clean and work like a spreadsheet or Kanban board. Super easy to drag, drop, and filter. So here you can see their view, permissions, data model, and workflow also. Just click to the workflow. So now let's talk about the key features. So some standout features like custom pipeline, like track lists and deals your way, and then built-in email connecting Gmail or Outlook, so email log automatically. Then the automations like use server-side scripts and triggers to automate tasks. And then last one is modern UI. It feels modern, fast, and works well on desktop and mobile. If you want to integrate other tools, it is also has APIs and webhooks for advanced workflows. So now let's talk about the pros and cons. So let's start with the pros, that it is a free and open source. You own your data. Then highly customizable, perfect for unique sales process. And then last one is no expensive license like Salesforce or HubSpot. And there is a couple of cons available, that is need some tech skill to install and maintain. Missing some built-in advanced analytics or marketing tools. You may need plugin or extra setup. So is 20 CRM worth it in 2025? If you want full control and don't mind self-hosting, it is powerful alternative to paid CRMs. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I'll catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.